May flight ka ba bukas papunta sa ibang bansa? Watch this video first. Number 1. Check your passport validity. Many countries require at least 6 months validity on your passport. So, i-check mo na yun ngayon. At kung 2 months na lang yan, naku, baka hindi ka makasakay ng eroplano. Number 2. Check if yung country na pupuntahan ninyo ay nagre-require ba ng digital arrival card. Number 3. Check or confirm your visa, requirements, or other travel documents. I-check kung nandyan na ba yun sa bag ninyo at mahirap nang maiwan yan. Number 4. Prepare your hotel confirmations and return ticket. Very important na ipakita yan sa immigration. Number 5. Download and prepare screenshots of your important documents and store it in a folder in your phone. Mahalaga din na mag-store kayo ng important pictures na pwedeng hanapin ng immigration. Number 6, i-double check kung saang airport or terminal kayo pupunta para sa inyong pag-alis para hindi kayo malate. Number 7, complete your Philippine e-travel and secure QR code para maipakita sa immigration. Number 8, prepare your local currency or make sure you have your credit cards and e-wallet that works internationally. Most importantly, arrive 3 to 4 hours before your flight so may enough time kayo for immigration, pagpila sa pagbayad ng tax if needed, and pag-check-in ng inyong mga bags. Yun lang, safe travels!